Thank you for your submission. I was a little hoping you were going to use the models, but you didn't what exactly I said on the board, so I guess I can't complain. So the deltoid is a very cool muscle. It's a very large muscle, and it is the reason why we had shoulder pads in the 80s, a fashion statement that I hope you never have to encounter. Now, I actually understand the cadaver and the biceps. So this big thing on top is the biceps brachii. This little thing right there is the brachialis, and this is where everybody gets confused. I've had so many students confuse them. So the biceps brachii sits on this brachialis, and you have to just look on the cadaver. I'll have the brachialis here, and it also gets confused with the triceps brachii. So it's in the middle, it's the sandwich. So I understand where you're coming from. The biceps really is hard. People think, oh, I'm gonna get it easy, but then there's the little brachialis that throws everybody off. Not liking an exercise is no reason to call the triceps boring. However, there's actually a lot of tricep exercises I don't like. Apparently seated dips are bad for your wrists, I've heard. So, I have heard, do not quote me on that one. But I actually like tricep extensions and some other tricep exercises, but there's some that I don't like either. The subscapularis is easy. I just spent 5 minutes cutting away everything so I could actually find it here. Nice triangle. It's the only big muscle here on the anterior side of the scapula and the subscapular fossa. So yeah, it's fairly easy on the model of the arm to find. So I agree with you, just it's very hard on this program to find it because I had to cut through everything. I guess it's good I'm not having the pectineus on the study guide because everybody has complained about it so far. I mean, expressed their dislike. So yeah, it's a 2-inch, an inch and a half long muscle. It hides here. It pretends to be part of the psoas or the iliopsoas technically. And it hates my guts, so it's not on the study guide at all. You have a lot against the exercises you don't want. So yeah, the gluteus medius is there. The exercises for running, I do have a lot of abduction and adduction just to strengthen. So I actually use this a lot in doing side lunges because it's an abductor. And you didn't answer why either of those muscles were cool. I do like the adductor longus. There it is. So it's a cool shaped muscle, I think. I like them. I like it better than the magnus, which is hiding back here. I don't know why. I think the magnus is sort of full of itself, I guess. So thank you for your submission.